Good morning, students and viewers. In the last video, we have seen the carboxylic acids. So, various types of carboxylic acids like monocarboxylic acid and dicarboxylic acid, and preparations and essentials of fat and oils and fatty acids, lipids like waxes. What are the uses? How to manufacture the soap and mechanism of cleaning action of soap. Now in this video, let's we see the heterocyclic compounds. We start the another unit of heterocyclic compounds, because the heterocyclic compounds easily available in the form of essential of plants like compounds, because heterocyclic compounds easily prepared from the leaf of the some of the plants compounds. So the heterocyclic compounds, actually one of the carbon atom in the ring, one of the carbon atom has been replaced by any one of the heteroatom like oxygen and nitrogen and sulfur compound. If it is replaced by oxygen compounds, we can call it as a furan, or nitrogen compounds with one of the hydrogen atom present in the 5-membered cyclic system. So that is called ferrol and diaphane. If it is replaced by the one of the sulfur group, we can call it as a sulfur diaphane compounds. So these are all having the lone pair of electron, because the lone pair can delocalize around the ring. So it follow the aromatic rule of Huckel rule of 4n+2 rule. So similarly, pyridine is also one of the compound which contains a sp3 hybridization in nature. So because the pyridine compounds also contains the lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. So on the nitrogen atom, so it is easily involved in the delocalization around the pi bond ring. So here the compounds, these are all compounds of heterocyclic in nature, because these compounds are essentially very much useful in the synthetic applications. So various synthetic applications. So now we will see the nomenclature of the compounds and properties and preparations of furan, ferrol. So these are the compounds are very important one. So now the nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. So usually heterocyclic compounds contains the heteroatoms like oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. So heterocyclic compounds. So nomenclature, in the nomenclature, so we can call it as a, like if the oxygen atom presents, this contains the lone pair of electrons, so this is called furan. So furan. So one of the nitrogen atom is present, these are also contains the lone pair of electron, this is called ferrol. So furan, ferrol, diaphane. So these are the compounds like this. So these oxygen and sulfur compounds, they are nitrogen compounds. Sulfur, if it is a sulfur, is called diaphane. So usually the heterocyclic compounds undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction, because the electrophile is loving of electrons. Here the electrons is much more present in the cyclic compounds, because the electron, the lone pair of electron available on the hetero atoms. Similarly, the 4 electrons is also available in the cyclopentane ring. So this heterocyclic compounds usually undergo the electrophilic substitution reactions. So rarely undergo the nucleophilic substitution reaction also. So what is the position can able to attack the electrophilic reagent, whether it is a second or third position? So this is a very important one. Here the second position mostly occupied by the electrophilic reagents, because the third positions, if it is a third and second position occupied by the any one of the substituents, the electrophile move to the third position. So otherwise the reaction taking place at the second position of the electrophilic substitution. So now the 6-membered ring. So we can call it as here also some more compounds. If the one of the benzene rings connected with ferrol compounds like indole, this has been called as a indole. Now the 6-member ring. So here the 6-member ring is actually called pyridine. So these are the structure of pyridine. So now quinoline. So quinoline compounds actually so quinoline. So here the one more nitrogen group is actually present. So this is called quinoline compounds. So if it is a second question, if it called the compound can give the name of isoquinoline. If this is the second question, so isoquinoline. So here or we can call it as a benzopyridine. So benzopyridine compounds in the name of quinoline. So now if the substituent are present in the furan compounds, like we can call it as a 2-methylfuran. So if the substituent present in the furan compounds, so here the 1 and 2 questions, here one number can give the number 3, 4, 5. So 2-methylfuran. So what is the name of these compounds? Like if the pyridine compounds substituent is taking place under the reactions of second questions, 2-bromopyridine. 2-bromopyridine. So these are some of the nomenclature of important heterocyclic compounds. So now how to prepare some of the questions. So we can give the name whether the question of 1, 2 and 3. So or we can call it as a name of alpha, beta, gamma, del questions. So this is a nomenclature of some of the heterocyclic compounds. So some more compounds can be available. So some more compounds are also available, various heterocyclic compounds. So now we will see the how to prepare the furan compounds. So furan and fural compounds prepared from the some of the organic compounds, like furan. Compare the furan and the fural compounds. One more point we have to see, the furan contains the oxygen atom, where the fural contains the nitrogen atom. In the oxygen atom, the lone pair of electrons are easily available, so it can easily donate electrons. So otherwise the reaction has been taking place, the another one of the lone pair electron outside the oxygen atom. So now the oxygen atoms can able to attach with the lone pair of electrons able to attach with the another compounds. Here the delocalization is also taking place. But compare with the furan and furan, the fural compounds contains only one lone pair of electrons. Here the one of the hydrogen atom is attached. Here the lone pair of electron is actually not available as easily possible. So the lone pair of electrons is involved in the delocalized resonance compounds, resonance structure. So compare with the furan and the furan, furan and fural. The fural is actually weak base than the furan compounds. So this is a nature of the furan and the fural compounds. Here the thiophene is also similar with the furan compounds, because the thiophene is also contains the lone pair of electrons. So now how to prepare the furan compounds from the organic compounds. So furan compounds actually prepared from the music acid. So preparations. So preparation of furan. Preparation of furan compounds. So now the music acid, actually the carbon contains the oxygen atoms and hydrogen atoms. See, hydrogen and oxygen atom. Here also the carbon, which contains the hydrogen and the oxygen atoms, hydroxyl group. So here COH. So this is a compound of music acid. So this undergo the dry distillation method. So dry distillation. So undergo the dry distillation methods. So 3 mole of water molecules actually released. One compounds here, the 2 mole of water molecules, here the hydrogen and oxygen atoms in the hydroxyl group. So 3 mole of water molecules is actually released. So minus 3H2O. So one more thing here we have to see, the carboxylate group is actually minus CO2 is actually removed. So what is in the remaining? Furoic acids, because the furoic acids, one of the carboxylate group is present. So one of the carboxylate group actually releases a CO2 molecules, minus CO2. So here the furoic acid is formed. Again the heated the reactions, minus CO2 group is actually removed, minus carbon dioxide. So furan can be obtained from the compounds. This is the preparations of furan from music acid. Sorry, music acid. So here the music acid, here the furan compound. So now the preparation from aldehyde group. So furanaldehyde. So furanaldehyde, substituent of furanaldehyde undergo the reaction with any one of the oxidizing agent like potassium digromate K2Cr2O7. Here the oxidation reaction taking place, the furoic acid is formed. So the furoic acid, so COH, whenever the oxidation of aldehyde, so undergo the reaction with the minus CO2, acid is formed. Under the decarboxylation reactions, the furan compound is actually obtained. So this is the furan compounds. For furaldehyde, so furaldehyde compounds. So here the one more reduction. So reductions has been taking place. The furan compounds, furanaldehyde. So undergo the reduction with silver oxide. So Ag2O, silver oxide under the steam. So furan compound is obtained. So this is the case of furan plus CO2. Sorry, CO. This is carbon monoxide is silver oxide is actually reducing agents. It like a reducing agents. So now we can say the preparation from succinic dialdehyde. So succinic dialdehyde compounds. So CH2, here the C. So double bond O. Here also C double bond O. Sorry. Hydrogen. So double bond O. Here also double bond O. Here the hydrogen compound. So succinic dialdehyde. Succinic dialdehyde. So it undergoes the reductions. So it is converted into the enol form, diene diol. So here the CH group is actually this double bond O becomes a alcohol form. So here a double bond C. Here also hydrogen. So here the hydrogen. So diene diol. This is a formation of intermediate diene diol. So diene diol. So undergo the reduction with the phosphorus pentoxide. So P2O5. So here the water molecule is released and the furan compound is obtained. So this is also preparations of furan. These are some of the preparations of furan compound under the EC method. So now the resonance structure and how the furan compounds undergo the electrophilic substitution reactions. So structure of furan. So compare the structure of furan. Here the carbon which is contained the hydrogen atom. So here the double bond and oxygen atom is present. So lone pair of electrons also available. So here also hydrogen atom. See these carbon and carbon contains the sigma bond. So sp2 carbon carbon sigma bond. So here the carbon hydrogen sigma bond. So sp2 s. So here the carbon and hydrogen sigma bond. So lone pair of electrons and vacant p orbital available in the case of oxygen and the carbon atoms, which is perpendicular to the carbon and hydrogen atom. So it form the lateral overlapping and form the pi bond between the carbon and the carbon atoms. So this is a structure of the furan. So compare the oxygen atom. So carbon and oxygen bond. Here the carbon and oxygen is a sigma bond. So carbon and oxygen sigma bond, usually the bond length become 1.43 Armstrong. So this is the carbon and the sigma bond length should be 1.43 Armstrong, but in the case of furan, this is actually CO bond length equal to 1.37. So this shows that the carbon and oxygen bonds is actually involved in the resonance of lateral overlapping of pi bond, which is available in the carbon atom. So unhybridized p orbitals which is also perpendicular to the carbon and hydrogen atom. So it forms the lateral overlapping between the carbon and oxygen atoms. Here the comparison of bond length 1.43 Armstrong for the carbon and oxygen atom, but in the case of furan 1.7337 Armstrong. So how they involves the resonance structure. So here involve resonance structure. So lone pair of electrons shifted here. This pair of electrons shifted to the carbon atom. So this involved in the resonance structure of like O, actually plus. Here also the minus charge is available. So here the now this structure come to this unshared pair of electron come to this place. Here the so this is also the resonance structure. So resonance actually involved in the case. So now this is a bond actually formed here. So now the oxygen gets the oxygen gets the positive charge here. So this actually any one of the two. So this now has been converted in this place. So now this compound and this lone pair of electron. So this is the resonance structure of furan compounds. So here the furan compounds undergo the structure like so this becomes so now this compound undergo this place. So the resonance structure of furan like this the form. So the double bond is actually involved in the resonance structure. So now here the compound just converted there. So boiling point. So compare the boiling points actually 32 degrees Celsius. And the chloroform like smell. This is the compound of chloroform like smell. But in the case, the furan compound actually soluble in water molecules. So it is a physical properties of furan compounds. Normally chloroform like smells. This is a compound and soluble in water molecules. Now this is a compound. How to undergo the electrophilic substitution? Electrophilic substitution is usually taking place at the second position. If the second position is occupied by any one of the substituents, the electrophilic reaction is taking place at the third position. See, electrophilic reactions usually in the case of furan, like furan compounds reacted with the HNO3. So nitric acid and the presence of acetic anhydride AC2O compounds. Here the acetic anhydride compound 2-nitrofuran compound is actually obtained. So 2-nitrofuran. So in the second position, so one of the electrophilic reagent is actually attached. So the furan compound react with the sulfur dioxide in the presence of pyridine. So in the presence of pyridine compounds at 70 degrees Celsius usually formed two furan sulfonic acids. So here the SO3H. Here the 2-nitrofuran and furan 2 sulfonic acid. So furan 2 sulfonic acid. So this is a compound easily formed. So second position is occupied by the any one of the electrophilic substituents. So halogenation reactions. See, halogenation reactions usually taking place in the two way, because once the furan compounds undergo the reaction with the chlorine at 40 degrees Celsius, so 2-chlorofuran, whether the 2-chlorofuran plus 2,5, so here the 2,5 dichlorofuran is actually formed. So 2,5 dichlorofuran. So acylation reaction. So in the case of furan undergo the reaction with the bromine compounds. So bromination reaction is also taking place. Dioxane. So 2-bromofuran. 2-bromofuran is the product has been obtained. So now the furan undergo the acylation reaction. So acylation reaction. Usually the acylation reactions taking place acetic anhydride in the presence of boron trifluoride compound. So furan undergo the reaction with the acetic anhydride. So here the CH3 C double bond O CO C double bond O CH3. So usually the acylation reaction taking place and the presence of boron trifluoride compounds. Here the acyl group is actually attached with the second position of the furan compounds, 2-acetyl furan. So now this compound is a 2-acetyl furan. Mercuration reactions. So now the furan compound undergo the mercuration reactions. So mercuration reaction taking place with mercury chloride. So in the presence of sodium ethoxide. So sodium acetate CH3COO Na, sodium acetate compounds 2-chloromercuric furan. 2-chloromercuric furan compound product is actually obtained. So that is this here. 2-chloromercuric furan. 2-chloromercuric furan. So this is a product has been obtained. So now this product undergo the acetylation reaction. Here also possible here with the acetyl chloride. So acetylation reaction easily possible in the case of 2-chloromercury furan undergo the reaction with the acetyl chloride compound. So 2-acetyl furan is actually the product has been obtained. Here the furan compounds react with the N-butyl lithium. So N-butyl lithium compounds and the presence of ether. So in the presence of ether, it undergo the 2 lithium furan. So in the second question, lithium compound is actually obtained. N-butane is the product. So when the 2 lithium furan compounds reacted with the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide in the presence of acid medium undergo the furoic acid. So furoic acid is the product. C double bond O OH. Here the furoic acid. Now the reduction reactions. So in the case reduction reactions, the furan compound reacted with the hydrogen in the presence of nickel. Tetrahydrofuran compound is obtained. So reacted with the hydrogen in the presence of nickel. So tetrahydrofuran compound is obtained. So THF, we can call it as a THF, tetrahydrofuran. So Diels-Alder reaction. So furan compound undergo the Diels-Alder reaction like. So when the furan compounds reacted with any one of the substance like maleic anhydride, CH double bond CH in C double bond O, here the C double bond O. So this is a maleic anhydride. So Diels-Alder reaction is actually possible. Here the CH see actually the maleic, the adduct is actually formed. This is a properties of furan. So how the furans able to undergo the nucleophilic electrophilic substitution reactions.